What's up, everybody? This is Jordan with Revamp, and I just want to shoot a quick video to walk through how to properly upload multiple offline conversion actions. So if you're a lead gen advertiser or working with clients where you're uploading offline conversions, I want just to walk through the correct process of uploading multiple actions. If you have enhanced conversions for leads set up and you're uploading the Google Click ID, GBraid, WBraid, this is the right way to make sure that you're uploading individual offline conversions. So, because I ran into an issue where I was basically using the same Google sheet to upload multiple conversion actions, and then during the upload process, as soon as the conversions got uploaded, the volume was the same number for each different conversion. So after some research, I figured out the workaround or the right way to make sure this is done properly. It's not actually documented anywhere that I've seen in Google's Help Center. So I actually had to file a ticket and meet with Google's tag team for them to tell me this basic fix, make sure that you can upload multiple actions. So I'm going to jump into this account here. It's one of my client accounts. It's a lead gen advertiser, and basically just walk through the process. It's very simple. If we come down here, you can see that there are qualified leads and converted leads that we're uploading. So like I said before, if we go back, let's go back 2 months before we fix this. So for the month of May, let's do March or April. So basically for the month of April, we had the same number of these two conversions, but for this business, for every one of these actions that occur, there's probably 8 to 10 of these. So these should not be matching up in any way. But once we found this fixed, then you can see for the month of June, we resolved the issue on May 30th. So for the month of June, you can see that it looks much more realistic. So we have 209 of these qualified leads and basically 11 of these converted leads. So the way that we've been uploading these conversions is through a Google Sheet. So, and there's multiple ways you can upload, but I think Google Sheets is the easiest. So basically what you want to do is for every offline conversion action, you need a separate Google Sheet to upload. So let's dive into one of the sheets or both of the sheets here and I can show you. Cool. So you can see here that we have two different sheets. This is one of them tracking the qualified lead. So you can see in the conversion name column here, we just have qualified lead. We have our enhanced conversions for lead, hashed info. We have the conversion time, Google Click ID, everything else. So this is basically its own dedicated Google Sheet for this specific action. And then same goes for our converted lead action, has its own Google Sheet. Basically everything is the same. It's all the same columns that we're filling out, all the information that we're uploading, but they're just in two separate sheets. Before, like I said, we had basically just mixed rows of different conversion actions between the two. And whenever we were uploading, they were just uploading all of them as the qualified lead action. So for every offline conversion that you have, you just want to make sure each individual action has its own method of upload, whether that's a Google Sheet or any other way that you would like to upload these. But that's the workaround. It's not really a workaround. It's just not documented by Google. But if you're running into issues with duplicate or like the same number sort of matching up between multiple offline actions, this would be what you'd want to do to make sure that the upload is accurate. So that's it for the video. It's a quick one. Just wanted to document the process on how to do this. So, leave me some comments or feel free to reach out if you have any questions.